Hey guys, we're out here at 672 Burden Street. We've got our open house for rentals today at 10:30. So we thought we'd go ahead and take a quick walk through of this property, let you see. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath primary suite. It has an additional bonus space or flex space that can be used as a 4th bedroom or a nice big extra living room. So coming in, you've got entryway here, and then another room right here. This room kind of seems to serve best as a dining room, area like that. Off of the first room and right here, we've got a nice little section that goes into the bathroom. And the first 2 bedrooms, bedroom on each side. Almost like a Jack and Jill, except this bathroom isn't just for these 2 bedrooms. It's available for the whole house. This entire property's been freshly painted, new carpet, flooring put throughout. New appliances are on the way. They're being delivered. So there'll be brand new appliances in the kitchen. Primary suites right here off of the kitchen. Nice little separate feel from the other 2 bedrooms. The primary is a half bath. And then the flex space is behind the kitchen. Nice big area, open, sliding glass door goes out down into the backyard. Laundry is right here. Property does have a fenced yard. It needs a gate across the walkway in the front and a gate across the driveway to be completely enclosed. Hopefully we'll see some of you guys here today. Have a great day.